Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, MotoSpectrum. Today, we're diving into something truly luxurious, incredibly innovative, and built to turn heads wherever it rolls. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement of class, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. I'm talking about the Mercedes Motorhome. Yes, the rolling 5-star suite, built on German engineering and designed for those who want to take the road less traveled without leaving luxury behind. So, buckle up, grab your favorite drink, and get ready to experience the Mercedes Motorhome like never before. Whether you're a hardcore road tripper or just dream of living life on the open highway, this one's for you. Let's start with the exterior. The moment you lay eyes on this machine, it screams sophistication. Built on the iconic Mercedes Sprinter chassis, this motorhome manages to blend rugged utility with elegant design. The front fascia retains that recognizable Mercedes-Benz grille, adorned with the iconic star emblem that tells you one thing: this isn't your average camper van. Sleek LED headlights, high-gloss black accents, and a smooth aerodynamic profile ensure this motorhome looks as good parked at a national park as it does cruising down the coast. The body is finished in a custom metallic paint, often available in a range of hues from alpine white to obsidian black, giving it that signature luxury vibe. But don't let the elegant looks fool you. This thing is built to handle tough terrain. With available 4x4 capabilities, adaptive suspension, and high ground clearance, you can take this luxury home on wheels from urban jungles to mountain trails without missing a beat. Now, let's slide open the automatic side door and step inside. And wow, this is where Mercedes takes the game to a whole new level. The interior isn't just comfortable, it's next-level luxury. Every surface, every stitch, every material has been chosen with purpose. We're talking about hand-stitched leather seats that rival first-class airline chairs, real wood cabinetry, LED mood lighting that adjusts depending on time of day, and even integrated ambient lighting that runs throughout the ceiling and floor for a truly cinematic feel at night. The living area is spacious and designed with modularity in mind.